Hi, today I'm going to show you how to update Notion pages via N8N. So first, set up Notion integration in N8N. In N8N, go to Credentials and add new Notion API credentials. Then provide your Notion integration token. Create one in Notion Developer Portal and allow all necessary permissions to your workspace and pages. Then add trigger node. So use a suitable trigger node like webhook, schedule, or another app to start your workflow that updates Notion pages. Now, add Notion node for updating pages. So simply add a Notion node, then select the resource as page and the operation as update. Then choose the Notion credentials you set up and enter the page ID of the Notion page you want to update. Then specify the properties or content you want to modify like title, text blocks, database properties. Then map data to update. So use previous node's output to dynamically map the content that you want to update in the Notion page. Then run and test. So execute your workflow to verify the page updates as expected. This enables automated updates and edits to Notion pages directly from your N8N workflow. That is ideal for syncing, automation, or content managing tasks. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.